Hello students, today topic is what is production function and what are the different types of production function. Now, firstly, what is production function? Production functions relate physical output of a production process to physical input of factor of production. It is a mathematical function that relates the maximum amount of output that can be obtained from a given number of input. Generally, these inputs are capital and labor. The production function therefore describe a boundary or frontier representing the limit of output obtainable from each feasible combination of inputs. In simple words, production functions refer to the functional relationship between the quantity of a good produced, that is output, and the factor of production, that is input. Mathematically, such a basic relationship between input and output may be expressed as Q is a function of L, K, N, V, M, etc., where Q is a quantity of output, L is labor, K is capital, N is land, M, B is building, M is machine. Hence, the level of output Q depends on the quantities of different inputs, that is L, K, N, available to the firm. In the simplest case, where there are only two inputs, labor L and capital K, and one output, that is Q, the production function become Q is a function of L and K. Firm uses the production function to determine how much output they should produce given the price of a good and what combination of input should use to produce given the price of capital and labor. Now there are some the definitions regard of production function. First one is according to Professor L. R. Kellin, production function is a technical or engineering relationship between input and output. As long as the natural law of technology remain unchanged, the production function remain unchanged. According to Professor George, production function is the relationship between input of productive services per unit of time and output of productive product per unit of time. According to Professor Richard, the relationship between input and output is summarized in what is called the production function. This is a technological relation showing per a given rate of technological knowledge how much can be produced within given amount of input. Now, we are discussing about short run and long run production function. There are two types of production function. One is short run and second one is the long run. A short run production function refers to that period of time in which the installation of new plant and machinery to increase the production level is not possible. On the other hand, the long run production function is one in which the firm has got sufficient time to install new machinery or capital equipment instead of increasing the labor unit. Now, firstly, we will discuss what is short run production function. Short run production function is one in which at least is one factor of production is throughout to be fixed in supply. That is, it cannot be increased or decreased, and the rest of the factor are variable in nature. In generally, the firm capital input are assumed as fixed, and the production level can be changed by changing the quantity of other input, and that input are such as labor, raw material, capital, and so on. Therefore, it is quite difficult for the firm to change the capital equipment to increase the output produced among all factor of production. Now, the second type is long run production function. Long run production function refer to that time period in which all the input of the firm are variable. It can operate at various activity level because of the firm can change and adjust all the factor of production and level of output produced according to the business environment. So the firm has the flexibility of switching between two scale. In such a condition, the law of return to scale operate, which discuss in what way the output varies with the change in production level. That is, the relationship between the activity level and the quantity of output. In increasing turn to scale is due to the economy of scale, and decreasing return to scale is due to the diseconomy of the scale. I have also shown other two types of production function. One is increasing production function and the second is decreasing production function. Now, what is increasing production function? When the total output increases with an increase in input, like any other function, all such function where output increases as the input increases, total are known as increasing production function. It is important to know whether the rate of increase in production in response to successive equiproportional change in all input taken together, expressed in terms of return to scale, or to successive change in the amount of single input taken in isolation, expressed in terms of return to a variable factor, is itself increasing, is constant, or decreasing. Now, this is the diagram which shows increasing production function with constant marginal return. There is another diagram which shows increasing production function with decreasing marginal return to scale, and the third one is increasing production function with decreasing marginal return. Now the second type of production function is there, that is decreasing production function. There are also situations in the real world where an increase in input instead of bringing about an increase in the total output may decrease it. Such a production function will be known as decreasing production function. A decreasing production function is one in which the total output declines when the input increases. In terms of marginal return to the variable factor, one could say that it is negative, that is less than 0. The decreasing production function could also be